I'm gonna show you cut.
Not a butterfly stretch.
What?
Not a butterfly stretch.
I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you.
No, not like that, you're not.
This is Best Fitness Over 50. And I am Lamar J, as you already know, or should know, you will know, because I am gonna be your new BFF. Today we're gonna talk about a few things. One, we're gonna feed you, and I'm gonna get your day started with something which is called a coffee protein shake. I know people are like, what? A coffee protein shake. Yes, we're gonna put some health in your coffee. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to get the nutrition you need each day. Most people say, I don't have time to chop. I don't have time to do all these things, all this preparation. So I just say, like what I started with, throw it in a blender. Just blend it. It's easy, quick and easy. So I found some recipes that I'm gonna be showing you that will get your day started, get you moving, and get you motivated.
That boy is good.
Okay, the first one I'm gonna show you is a high-pack protein and coffee-based shake, all right? So, first we're gonna start off with, of course, my trusty blender. I love this blender because it's single size. It allows me not to do too much. I'm gonna take a banana, even though it looks a little dead, it's still good. I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna break it in pieces and we're gonna use this whole banana in this shake, okay? All right, let's get this going. And, all right, trash, oh, there it is. Oh, okay, all right, cool. Next we're gonna do, I'm gonna do a little chia seeds. Not what they call for the recipe, but I like chia seeds, adds a little bit more protein to it. So I'm gonna just add a little bit. Actually looks like black sand. So I'm gonna do a small, light tablespoon of chia seeds, all right? Show you how fast this goes, okay? All right, then we're going to do some protein powder. This is a vanilla hemp protein powder that I use, vegan, of course. All right, 1 tablespoon of that. Then we're going to take some cacao chocolate nibbles, or nips, or nibs. Nibs.
I want that.
This is kind of bland by itself. It smells like chocolate though. Dark chocolate, that is. 1 heaping spoon of that. Now comes the fun.
Ding, ding, ding. What do we have for her, Johnny?
Lucky Jack cold brew. Why I made that face, I don't know. But here we go. Watch, probably can't even open it, watch. Never did this before. Yep, probably can't. It's so easy. Anyway. Okay, I thought it was, oh, there it is. Didn't even make a mess, great. They say use a tablespoon. Yeah, we're gonna measure this kind of like, yeah, that feels good. Okay, all right. Strong. Anyway, now, the recipe calls for almond milk. I like cashew milk. Okay, we do a little cashew. Looks like mud right now, but I'm sure, I promise you it's gonna be good. All right, cashew milk. Fill out about halfway. And this again will get you started in the morning, get you focused, get you energized, while also having some good nutrients in your system. All right, I like to use ice in mine. Gives a little frothier thing. Put 2 cubes of ice. Boom, right there, good. And let's get us a glass ready, just so we can get this party started. All right. Technically, I listen till I don't hear any more rocks. That's the way I've been doing it. God tells me when it's done. It's not done. Okay, now, still hear light rocks, but. Okay, and good, we got it. Now, frothy glass. Oh, no, let's put it over here so we don't make a mess. This will get your day started. All right, we're gonna pour in there. Nice, good. What I like to do is take a little bit of my cacao, take just a little bit, and put it, just sprinkle a little bit on top, just to give me a little extra flavor. And there you have it. Morning coffee, morning breakfast, get you going right off the top. So sometimes I try to stretch it out by doing, some dancing squats.
Dancing squats.
That's what it looked like to me. Anyway, some push-ups. I look stressed.
Those are good push-ups, though. I don't mind those so much.
They're good. I mean, they're okay.
Old man push-ups.
Oh, wow, really? Yeah, I mean, they're okay. So we're gonna get into side obliques. Get all this stuff.
Don't look like you're getting violated when you're doing side obliques,
know,
but that's
right?
all right.
Oh my God.
There it is.
Yeah, that crunch hurts.
I see. It just hurts.
Yeah.
These are leg lifts. I didn't know where you were going with this, so I just kind of tried to follow you. But
well, I mean, I was just doing exercises, dude, just warming it up.
here we go. Okay, muscle building. Ah, the biceps.
Bicep curl.
How many do you do of these?
3 sets, 15.
3 sets of 15.
Medium weight. And you will know, trust me, if it's too heavy, because you won't be able to do 15.
It looks like you're lifting them with your face, bro.
Yeah, I am. I look stressed out. Man.
What the hell are you doing here?
This is a tricep press, which is, again, very odd on how I normally do it, because this machine was that way. So I just did it how the machine
I don't know why you went to the balls, but that's all right.
That's where it was. That's where it holds. That's how I looked on the
Focus on the balls more.
No,
Push the balls down.
On the triceps.
Push them down.
I'm focusing on the tricep. And this is a good chest press exercise. A little bit wide for my liking. It's not as close. My elbows aren't as close as I'd like. But that's the way the machine works. So I pushed through and did it what the machine allowed me to do. Now we're into our shoulder press.
Nice.
And shoulder press overhead. Yeah, nice and light. Ooh, that hurts. Now, see that face? That means, oh, damn. Yeah, you don't see how much weight I have on it. I only have about 10 pounds.
All that 3 pounds of weight.
Exactly.
Shoulder press.
Oh, gosh.
Here's my favorite part.
Leg press. This one, if y'all can't tell, I'm all legs. Big head, short torso. Look at them. Look how long them damn legs are. See what I mean? I'm trying to beef them up.
Look at that camera. Here it is. Here's my favorite part. Here's my favorite part.
Well,
the shiny shoes.
mine too. The shiny shoe part, which is called the calf extension.
Dude, do you ever step in dirt? Look at them. Look at them shoes on this
never.
calf press.
OCD-ism has kicked in and stays intact. It stays intact.
My shiny shoes.
Oh my God. That's why he stays behind the camera. I don't allow myself any excuses or lag time or procrastination. I continuously tell myself, do it now, do it now, do it now, do it now, not to procrastinate. We can always put things off, but why? Because it's always gonna be something else that's gonna come up that's gonna not allow you to do the things you want to do. So it's very important that you allow yourself.
No, I didn't mean that.
Don't allow yourself any excuses, I should say. Don't. Get up in the morning, get focused. If you need to write it out and you do a checklist, which is also an awesome thing to do, a to-do list every single day. Set your clock for this. Go to bed at this time. When you start to organize your time and organize what you're doing, you will change your life. Oh, and if you like this video, you make sure and you hit the subscribe button, you hit the bell notification. Every Wednesday, you will be receiving a new video from us, as well as make any comments you like. If you like what we're talking about, if you don't like what we're talking about, leave your opinions to yourself.